Hey everybody, this is how you make the happy birthday Grimace shake at home. Follow these easy steps. These are the ingredients you'll need. You'll need half a cup of almond breeze original almond milk, non-dairy, and you're going to need a teaspoon and a half, maybe 2 teaspoons of wild blueberry fruit spread, organic. This is to replace the fruit fruit syrup or fruit blend that's in the smoothie. This is a blueberry fruit blend, and then you'll need some wild organic blueberries frozen, and a couple scoops of any kind of vanilla ice cream of your choosing. And I'll show you how to put this together. I'm gonna put it all in the blender. Alright, so we got half a cup of almond milk. Put that in our blender. That goes in first. And then we'll save this step for last. And let's get some blueberries. These are frozen blueberries. I don't know if this is in frame, but we got some frozen blueberries. So we're gonna use probably about a half a cup of these blueberries. I just wanted to take the apple over here, show you, put these in. Alright everyone, now that you got your almond milk and your frozen blueberries in the blender, now we're going to take the blueberry spread, and I like to take a teaspoon and dump that in our glass. Alright y'all, we're back. So I got half a teaspoon of blueberry fruit spread in the glass. We're going to put the rest in the blender. I'm going to put another, let's say like 2 teaspoons into the blender. So that's another teaspoon. So what was that, like, this is a small teaspoon, so I'm gonna call that like 2 teaspoons. All right, so we blender. So doing this all, I ain't got a good tripod right now, but just wanted to show y'all real quick how to make this at home. Real easy. Yo, so another scoop of ice cream. Alright, so let's get this blended up, and we'll get this served. Alright, here's your sprinkles, your whipped cream, and your Grimace shake. And let's go ahead, pour it up. This is how you make a happy birthday Grimace shake at home, everybody. And as we make a mess everywhere. Alright, leave enough for some whipped cream. Get that whipped cream going. Last thing, put some sprinkles. So your boy Grimace likes some sprinkles. Alright, happy birthday Grimace. This is how you make the McDonald's Grimace birthday shake at home as you make a mess everywhere. Enjoy. Oh, let's get a straw. Hey everybody. The Grimace shake at home. Happy birthday. That's better than at the McDonald's. there you go. I hope you guys enjoy the Grimace Happy Birthday Shake at home. Sorry for the lighting. Hopefully the next video will be better. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.